In this tutorial we will see how to buy and sell NFTs on SkyHarbor. In order to interact with this marketplace, we must have the Nautilus extension previously installed and have configured our wallet, either by creating a new one or by restoring an existing one. The first thing we will do is enter the website. Within the Marketplace section we can see all the NFTs that are for sale. By default they are sorted by those that have been recently listed. We can also sort them by price. In the Collections section we can see all the collections of the different artists that have been verified by the SkyHarbor team. Within each collection we can see the different NFTs listed. In Activity we find the NFTs that have been sold. Here we can see another collection. In Activity it details the NFT that has been sold. It shows us the price, the wallet that has sold it and the wallet that has bought it. We can also see the date and the transaction. In the Activity section we can see all the sales that have been carried out. It shows us the most recent first. Here we can find some frequently asked questions. Here it tells us how to verify a collection. To be able to sell and buy an NFT, the first thing we must do is configure our wallet. We click on Nautilus Wallet and the connector will open immediately. We select our wallet and click Connect. It tells us that it has been connected correctly. If we click on our wallet we can see the NFTs we have. We are going to put this NFT up for sale. We indicate the sale price and it will indicate the royalties of the artist, the fee for the service, and finally it shows us our profits if the NFT were sold. If we agree, we click on Submit Sale and sign the transaction with our password. It will indicate the transaction number and we must wait until it is confirmed. Here we can see the transaction. In a few minutes it is already confirmed. We return to SkyHarbor, reload the page and we can see that our NFT has moved to the NFTs for sale section. We can check that it has been listed correctly. Now we are going to go to Collections to buy an NFT. Here we can see the artist's minting address. We click on Buy and the Nautilus connector will immediately open to sign the transaction. Here we can see the transaction. In a few minutes the transaction is already confirmed. We return to SkyHarbor and we can see inside our wallet that we already have the NFT that we just bought. We can also check the sale in the activity section. By clicking on the NFT we can see the ID of the token, the royalties of the artist and the properties of the NFT.